Dear July, what can you say when you see it? The Grand Hotel de Jura. It's perfect aside from that tacky casino sign that adorns its roof. A picture seems pointless to try and depict the waterfall. Technology will keep advancing, and the high-definition cameras of today will soon be the Technicolor film cameras of the past. And maybe we'll record scent one day too, and motion, and weather. But no amount of pixels can adequately describe the absolute rush of a waterfall in full flow. My camera utterly failed to capture the mysterious spray which lowered the temperature of the bridge so drastically. And yet, I knew it was there. There's so much more to life than what you can see, July. So much more to absorb and learn and grow from. That's the rush you give me, July, and it's unbelievable. Soaking in the city, discovering that secret pathway to the waterfall, going on an adventure. You are to thank for that, July. We have an early start tomorrow, so good night, July.